Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of setting up your very own Telegram bot and getting the all-important bot token. This token is what you'll use to control your bot and make it do amazing things. First things first, you need a Telegram account. If you don't have one yet, download the Telegram app from the App Store or Google Play, or use the web version, and sign up. It's quick and easy. Next, open Telegram and search for BotFather. The BotFather is the official bot provided by Telegram to help you create and manage your bots. Make sure you select the verified account with the blue checkmark. Tap on BotFather to open the chat. Then, tap on the Start button at the bottom of the screen to initiate the conversation. BotFather will greet you and provide a list of commands you can use. The command we are interested in is /newbot. Type /newbot and send the message. BotFather will ask you for a name for your bot. Choose a name for your bot. This can be anything you like. For example, weather info. After naming your bot, you'll need to choose a username. This must be unique and end with bot. For example, weatherinfohelper_bot. If the username is taken, you'll need to try another one. Once you've successfully named your bot and given it a unique username, BotFather will generate a bot token for you. This token is a long string of letters and numbers. It's crucial to keep this token secure and private because anyone with this token can control your bot. Copy and save this token somewhere safe. Let's quickly look at how you might use this token in a Python script. In your code, you'll typically set up your bot using a library like Python Telegram bot and initialize it with your token. Here's a quick example. In this snippet, we create a bot instance with our token and send a message to a specific chat. We'll dive deeper into coding in future videos. And that's it. You've now set up your Telegram bot and obtained your bot token. In the next video, we'll show you how to write your first bot script and make it interact with users. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming tutorials. See you next time.